The Speedway and the hospital started to gain prominence about the same time. The hospital became an authority in 1998. Discussions with the Speedway came in the late 90s and early 2000s, and we've kind of evolved together.
A medical provider was our main goal, and we instantly went to the University of Kansas Hospital because of their expertise in the industry.
The Kansas Speedway needed a nationally verified level 1 trauma center in Kansas City to bring NASCAR to the track. And there wasn't one in Kansas City, so we were proud to become that hospital for them.
At our events, it's the safest place to be in Kansas City on a race day because the hospital has everything covered.
NASCAR and IndyCar are very particular about the medical care that their drivers get, and rightfully so.
I'm in a lot of meetings with NASCAR in the past, and number one comments, hey, you guys have the best medical provider within the circuit. They are the best in the industry, and we're proud of that fact.
We have really become the gold standard among the race venues for how to partner with a medical team. And we've become a model across the country of how these partnerships can really be amazing.
In early 2002, shortly after the hospital had become a partner with the Kansas Speedway, Jeff Berger, then president, came to us and said, we would like to do an event here at the Speedway on the infield, and we would like to partner with you and have you be one of the beneficiaries.
Had an early morning meeting. It was over breakfast, and we were sitting there trying to think of ideas on what to do, not only to give back to the community, but create something that would benefit the University of Kansas Hospital and raise money for them. And so we came up with the Treads and Threads idea.
The Speedway probably gets more credit than it deserves, frankly, for Treads and Threads. We try to provide a great setting, we provide a safe atmosphere, we've got a huge footprint, obviously, which allows it to be a big event.
We raised about $180,000 the first year, and of course, many people who follow Treads and Threads know that last year, we raised about $983,000.
Treads and Threads has been so important to the Cancer Center for so many years, and being able to buy equipment that we normally would not be able to purchase because either they're not reimbursed by insurance or there's not another funding source to help provide that type of equipment or that type of a service to our patients.
I think Kansas Speedway deserves a partnership award in many respects for prodding us to become involved in care for people outside the confines of the hospital. That was really one of the first relationships that we started, where we are providing care for athletes and for fans, that now has evolved into relationships with the Royals, with the Chiefs, with Sprint Center, all of which led to the development and robustness of our sports medicine program.
It's been an incredible partnership, and we look forward to working with them in the future.
I can't probably put into words how much we appreciate the relationship with the hospital. We really consider the men and women who come and work at our facility as part of our team and part of our family.